Hey guys, happy 2020. So today's video is going to be all about vision boards. I've been doing this for like 3 years now. This is how I manifest all my dreams, and manifesting is like when you put it out in the universe, like what you want, and you have to really believe in it. You can't just be like, oh, this is what I want. You have to like really believe that's going to happen, and it kind of like magically happens. But you have to put work towards it. You can't just say, oh, I want to be like a millionaire and then do absolutely nothing, because then you're never going to go anywhere. But I'm going to show you how to make a vision board. You basically, what I do is I usually put a quote in the middle, which is like my center quote of the year, and then I put like 2020 or 2019 or whatever on the top of the year, and I'm surrounded with a bunch of pictures so I can visualize exactly what I want to accomplish. So last year, this was my board. I didn't do the best job of filling it up, obviously, but the year before, 2018, mine was full, but last year, I don't know, I just kind of slacked. But I just have like body goals, like positivity and no complaining and good skin, tattoos, traveling to LA. I want to be part of Blessed Protein, so shout out Blessed Protein. And I wanted to see like nice views and just a bunch of stuff. Last year my quote was become the you of your dreams. And then this year is gonna be live the life you've always imagined. So last year was all about becoming my best self, and then this year is all about living my best life. So I'm gonna go into details of like what I wanna accomplish in right a second. I'm gonna show a little pan of my vision board real quick, and then I'm gonna get into the details.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so starting it off with 2020, super big, super bold. Just so you know the year, you know, just in case. Now, this is my central quote, live the life you've always imagined. I did leave a little space for anything that I do want to add throughout the year, because, you know, sometimes there'll be like more goals that I want to achieve, so I just left a little space here for stuff I want to add, but I'm going to start at the top. I have a quote that says, you're overthinking, and then under it says, you got this. So I tend to overthink. So this year, I'm going to try my best not to overthink and just kind of just go with the flow and be like, you know what, it's okay. And then I have a little planner on the top because I want to stay more organized. Even though I am pretty organized, I do have a very busy life. So I would like to get a journal and start writing down my steps so I'm not confused on what I need to do. And then I have a thing that says shoot your shot. This is all about, this has nothing to do with like getting a boo or anything. This is about shooting my shot and getting everything that I want, like going after companies, and instead of that, waiting for them to reach out to me, I'm going to reach out to them because I want it instead of just waiting for it to happen, because if I wait for it to happen, I'll be waiting forever. So I'm gonna shoot my shot with everything that I want. I have a little key here. I do want to move out. I'm planning to move to Miami sometime in the summer, so stay tuned for that. I have a picture of a girl. She's topless holding a wine glass. This is me striving and thriving in my life. You know, best life possible. You know, maybe I'll have some deep love in my life. I'm not gonna get too much about details, but I have this spine tattoo here. I have been always wanting to get my spine done. I really want a floral piece, probably some like peonies and some roses. So, but this is like just a general idea of like what I want. There's a little heart here that says dairy free. I'm trying my best to become dairy free. By the end of the year, I hope to become fully dairy free. For the animals and for my skin, I'm sensitive to dairy, but I love like ice cream and cheese and all that good stuff. So I'm trying my best. I'm doing pretty good. There's food over here for like meal prepping and just eating healthy. I eat pretty healthy in general, but just a reminder to stay on my grind. This is a picture of Saint West. He's super happy, so I want to be Saint West happy, like living his best life. He has no worries. His parents are billionaires. His whole family are just like billionaires, so he has no issues and worries, and that's how happy I want to be. I have a picture of money down here and down here just for like good financials, you know. Over here I have good skin. I put this on my board last year. It's actually the same picture. I didn't plan on that, but clear skin, I'm coming for you. Down here I have a girl. She has a face mask. I thought this was so cute. She has like little Chanel eye bags. So I'm gonna do more self-care. I actually booked a facial, so let's see how that goes. What else? Oh yeah, body goals. I just want to get nice and thick and snatched on the waist, like always. Here's a picture of a girl on her laptop. You know, me just networking, getting connections, all that good stuff. And then we have a little code right here that says Brina10. I would like to get my own influencer code, hopefully sometime this year, with any brand, you know, just putting it out there. This might be my code that you might use very soon. Then I have 1111. It's a tattoo. I want to get in my finger or somewhere on my hand. It just has really special meaning to me. It's my angel number. Every time I see it, good things happen to me. So definitely would love to have that part of me. At the top, I have some travel pictures. There's a picture of a passport. These two girls living their best life. Bali, it's like my dream place to go. Skydiving. These are just things I really want to do. Over here I have a quote that says, "Don't carry toxic people into 2020 or it's going to be another 2019. That's key. Leave all those toxic people behind. Over here I have positivity, and then on the top I have my Instagram. I want to get to 10K followers or more. 10K is like the minimum I want to reach this year. What else? I have Gymshark. I love Gymshark. I wear a lot of Gymshark. It's like one of the only brands I wear for like gym clothes. Love their stuff. So Gymshark, if you're watching this, I love you. I would love to work with Gymshark with this just like videos, collabs, something that'd be super cool. I have a picture of these girls. I want to go on an influencer trip of some sort. Just putting it out there. I thought that'd be super cool. Maybe one day that'll be me living my best life with a bunch of girls. What else? Oh yeah, there's a picture of a girl with a G-Wagon. That's like my dream car, so I put that on there. I put that on my board last year. So, you know, putting it out there, working hard. So me working hard, maybe I'll get my dream car. I have a picture of these two girls. They're like having little wine glasses and they're just like living their best life. I want to go on more like girl trips, just have fun. Then I have my YouTube. I want to get to 10,000 followers, so subscribe. And yeah. And then at the bottom it says, "I'm going to receive everything I desire. All the right people and opportunities flow through me. I have made space for them in my life." So that's a good quote. Put that on there so I can be reminded of it. And I think I reached everything on my board. And again, the quote of the year is, "Live the life you've always imagined." This year I'm going to be living my best life, living the life I've always dreamed of. So yeah, it's super easy to make a vision board. I highly recommend it. I make these and I hang it up in my room. You've probably seen it in a bunch of my selfies that I take in my mirror. I see it every single morning, and every morning I'm reminded of my goals. I see it, just me constantly seeing it, and like motivates me to just keep on going, that I'm so much closer to my goals. So this is a really good idea. So I really highly suggest making one. And if you do make one, I would love to see it. Please send me a picture of your vision board if you do make one, because yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really like this video. I enjoy doing this. I really wanted to post this because I really wanted to inspire you guys to like make your own vision board and achieve everything that you want in the new year. Please leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe, follow me on social media. And please, if you do make a vision board, I really want to see it. So please send that to me either on like Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, anything. You can even email it to me. I don't even care. I just want to see what it looks like. Take your time with it. Don't rush it. All you have to do is like what I did was just make a collage on pages, put it up there, put a bunch of pictures, quotes, and then printed it out and then just cut them out. And I laid it out and then glued them all together.